Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to clear the recent presentations file history list permanently from the Microsoft PowerPoint home screen. This instantly wipes out your entire list of pinned or opened presentation paths, cleaning up your dashboard layout and keeping your private project titles completely hidden from anyone looking at your monitor screen. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Advanced tab located near the middle of the sidebar list. Scroll down through the Properties pane until you reach the section explicitly headed Display. Locate the specific setting text block option labeled Show this number of recent presentations. Highlight the existing tracking number inside the value entry cell box and type 0 to completely purge the home screen index. If you want to permanently keep the history list turned off for your Workspace view, leave this value set to 0. Otherwise, type your preferred tracking number back in later to start a completely fresh, clean history log. Drop down to the bottom of the main Options layout window and click the OK button to lock your new layout rules into the system core. And that's it. Your permanent recent files list wipe configuration is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.